feature in version 25.12 is the ability to perform Boolean operations with selection recipes. It helps refine and combine selections necessary for CAE model objects. Users benefit by simplifying complex rules-based selections. It stops workarounds and makes selection tasks more efficient. This demonstration illustrates the use of Boolean selection recipes and how they will update as the model changes. Two selection recipes already exist. One selects the weld bodies, while the other selects all bodies. Now use Boolean selection recipes to create a third that selects just the plates. Do this by subtracting the weld bodies from all bodies. Select all bodies as the target and fillet T-joint as the tool. The result from the Boolean is just the plates. The model is updated by adding another plate and welds. Switch to the assembly and modeling. Unsuppress the plate assembly component. Switch to the weld part. Unsuppress the weld features. The assembly update is complete. Switch to the FEM. Verify that the welds and plates selection recipes have updated. The additional welds and plate are found by their selection recipes.